The Taiex sank on Monday as fears of a second coronavirus wave continued to shake global markets. Tech and finance stocks dragged the market lower by more than 1%. Biotech was a bright spot in the downturn, closing up by nearly 3%. Oneness Biotech and its parent company, Microbio Group, halted trading for the day to announce the success of a phase 3 trial of a drug for diabetic foot ulcers.
Kung-ming, chairman of the Microbio Group, announces the success of a recent clinical trial on a new drug to treat diabetic foot ulcers, ON-101.
For 20 years, all phase 3 clinical trials around the world have failed. We began developing ON-101 in 2008, almost 13 years ago. Now, we've completed a phase 3 clinical trial and we hope the drug can be on the market soon.
Foot ulcers are a common complication of diabetes. Some studies suggest up to 63% of people with diabetes will develop a foot ulcer. The most serious cases require amputation. But the new drug is expected to get market certification by the end of 2020 and be available next year. The stock value of its developer, Oneness Biotech, has skyrocketed from 19.4 NT in April to 172.5 on June 12.
We hope to maintain the world-leading position we've occupied for at least 10 years.
Meanwhile, the world is still waiting for a second wave of the coronavirus, and that's pumped up the medical stocks on the Taiex. On Monday, 16 listed companies' shares rose limit up, but electronics firms fared poorly.
The electronics sector has somewhat stalled recently. What's taken its place, it's biotech and various mid to small-sized low-price stocks. We may need to keep an eye on the situation because electronics play an important role. In the long term, if electronics can't bounce back, then the whole scenario of the market may need to be rearranged.
Shipment forecasts are gloomy for the third quarter of this year, and with the threat lingering that COVID-19 will stage a comeback, investors worldwide are adjusting their portfolios. Analysts fear the Taiex is due for another downtrend.
Everyone knows that the US economy hasn't seen significant improvement. Stocks have risen enormously, but it's obvious now that the top players are wobbling. Everyone is wondering if the US markets will be under pressure if the pandemic rebounds and the prospects for economic recovery don't look good. If so, it will impact the Taiex as well.
On Monday, the Taiex closed down by just over 1% at 11,306. Small investors in Taiwan are living without the fear of the virus in their community, but its impact on the bank balance continues.